Hey there, and welcome back to NeuralPulse. In today's video, we're diving into the amazing world of AI in healthcare. We'll explore how it's revolutionizing diagnostics, treatment, and patient care by examining specific cases, companies, and technologies. From early disease detection to personalized medicine, AI has incredible potential to transform healthcare for the better. Let's get started. Section 1. AI in Diagnostics. AI-powered algorithms can analyze medical images with remarkable accuracy. Companies like Zebra Medical Vision and ADOC use AI to analyze X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans, helping detect diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, and heart conditions at earlier stages. This enables more effective treatment plans and better patient outcomes. A study conducted in 2020 found that Google's DeepMind AI system could detect breast cancer with greater accuracy than human radiologists, potentially saving many lives through early diagnosis. AI is transforming digital pathology and microscopy. Companies like Paige AI and Path AI automate the analysis of tissue samples, identifying specific disease biomarkers. This not only speeds up the diagnostic process, but also reduces the risk of human error. In one case, Path AI's technology successfully detected metastatic cancer in lymph node samples with a 94.6% accuracy rate, significantly outperforming human pathologists. AI applications in genomics can decipher massive amounts of genetic data. Companies like Deep Genomics and Tempus use AI to identify disease-related genes and mutations, enabling more precise diagnostics and predicting an individual's risk of developing certain conditions. In a notable example, a young patient with a rare genetic disorder was diagnosed using AI-powered genomic analysis, leading to life-saving treatment that would have otherwise been impossible. Section 2. AI in Treatment. By analyzing a patient's genetic information, AI can help identify the most effective treatments and medications. Companies like In Silico Medicine and Recursion Pharmaceuticals use AI to create tailored treatments for patients, paving the way for personalized medicine. A woman diagnosed with metastatic breast cancer received personalized treatment based on her genetic profile, resulting in significant tumor reduction and improved quality of life. AI is accelerating drug discovery by identifying potential drug candidates and predicting their effectiveness. Companies like Atomwise and Exscientia use AI to streamline the drug development process, helping bring new treatments to market faster and at a lower cost. In a groundbreaking example, Exscientia developed the world's first AI-designed drug to enter human clinical trials, a treatment for obsessive-compulsive disorder, in less than 1 year compared to the traditional 5 to 7 years. Robotics and AI are increasingly being used in surgery, enhancing precision and accuracy. Companies like Intuitive Surgical, creator of the Da Vinci surgical system, and Medtronic, with its Maser robotics platform, are revolutionizing surgical procedures. AI can also assist in preoperative planning, ensuring the best possible surgical outcomes for patients. A patient undergoing complex spinal surgery benefited from AI-assisted planning, resulting in a successful operation with reduced complications and recovery time. Section 3. AI in Patient Care. AI-powered virtual health assistants can answer patient questions, schedule appointments, and provide personalized health advice. Companies like Babylon Health and Ada Health offer AI-powered chatbots that help improve patient engagement and adherence to treatment plans. In one case, a patient suffering from a rare autoimmune disease received crucial advice from an AI health assistant, leading to an accurate diagnosis and effective treatment plan. AI can analyze data from wearable devices and mobile apps to monitor patients' health remotely. Companies like Bioformis and Health Reveal use AI to allow healthcare providers to intervene before health issues become more severe and enable more effective management of chronic conditions. A diabetic patient, for example, experienced improved blood sugar control and reduced hospital visits thanks to AI-enabled remote monitoring and personalized coaching. AI-powered chatbots and therapy tools can help individuals manage mental health issues, such as anxiety, depression, and stress. Companies like Wobot Labs and Wyza provide valuable support and resources for those who may not have easy access to traditional mental health care services. A user suffering from anxiety and depression reported significant improvements in their mental health after engaging with Wobot, an AI-powered chatbot that offers cognitive behavioral therapy techniques. Section 4. AI in medical research and clinical trials. AI is being used to analyze vast amounts of medical literature and data, helping researchers identify new insights and correlations. Companies like IBM Watson Health and Benevolent AI use AI to accelerate the pace of medical research, uncovering novel treatment approaches and potential drug candidates. In one instance, AI identified a potential new treatment for Ebola by analyzing existing research data, which later showed promise in laboratory tests. AI can optimize the design and execution of clinical trials, helping reduce costs and improve patient outcomes. Companies like Deep6 AI and Unlearn AI use AI to identify suitable trial participants, predict trial outcomes, and generate control data for more efficient clinical trials. In a recent example, AI facilitated the rapid recruitment of patients for a COVID-19 vaccine trial, significantly speeding up the development process. AI's impact on healthcare is just beginning to be realized, and its potential is immense. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more groundbreaking innovations that will revolutionize the way we diagnose, treat, and care for patients. Thank you for joining us in exploring the fascinating world of AI in healthcare. Don't forget to subscribe to NeuralPulse for more engaging content on AI breakthroughs and their real-world applications.